In 2019, Ridgewater Homes received the Top Choice Award in the Renovation Services category. Their goal is to build the best home in the community.
We got all the rain screen straps on the wall right now, and we're going to put some hardy planks going across right underneath the windows, as well as hardy boards above the windows to give it a nice contrast.
So you can make a lot of changes, using this same...
Keep it all as a reno.
Yeah.
As long as you keep a certain percentage as original and we build on top of it.
Yeah.
Get that framed up, drywalled. We'll call the stone guy.
What did it look like?
The house was pretty much stripped. The homeless had moved in. We found tons and tons of needles.
I mean, it was an absolute disaster. We had to put a fence up and everything so that people couldn't get into, well, they still got onto the property and living up in the attic. The city would not allow us to tear everything down. Okay. It's a redevelopment area, so they would not. So it wasn't really our choice to save. We had no choice. This piece of wood right here was it the tree? We took down a big tree in the backyard. One of Daryl's guys made this the top of the fireplace, which is, how awesome is that?
You're seeing kind of a trend now starting where you're having deconstruction as well. So the homes are being pulled apart piece by piece to be reused, but we're trying to get away from throwing that into the landfills. So we basically stripped the house down to the bones and rebuilt it structurally and to code to what you see now.
According to 2017 stats from Metro Vancouver, approximately 370,000 tons of construction and demolition debris ends up in the landfill. The country and city encourages more recycling and salvage projects like this one. I'm Leah Bolton with Joy TV News.